Hey everyone, I am Abhiram Dapke, an undergraduate from YCCE Mechanical 2017 batch. I am currently working as a robotics engineer at Deuce Drone, a drone delivery company in the United States. YCCE Mechanical Department holds a valuable foundation in my career. It has encouraged me to apply for my master's and eventually study in the United States and pursue my American dream. My journey began under the blessed guidance of my mentor and professor, Mr. Jayant Giri, who very smoothly accelerated my curiosity in subjects like CNC programming, robot programming, mathematical modeling and simulation, and all of these were done at the Honorary Siemens Center of Excellence for Digital Manufacturing and Robotics. My 3 years in the mechanical department were undoubtedly filled with a lot of learnings, assumptions, questions, and of course, pieces of advice that I'm immensely grateful for today. And I'm also very thankful for all the experiences that the professors at YCC bestowed on me during my course over there. You know, one cannot achieve their career goal just by doing hard work for a few months. It has to be a slow and consistent effort for years together to achieve your ambitions and desires in life. This department, I feel, the Siemens Center of Excellence at this department, its infrastructure, and my mentor Giri sir have helped me build my own ladder and sustain my hard work and sweat for all these years and to the future ahead. I don't think I would ever go back and change a thing, but relive everything proudly. So I would really recommend all the future students to take this opportunity to be as curious as you can be, network, build your foundation, and make it worthwhile, because don't forget that you are going to have a lot more facilities, more infrastructure, and priceless guidance of many intelligent professors at this department throughout your life. So all the best with your endeavors, and thank you.